everyone, happy Veterans Day today. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a simple folded flag. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this Veterans Day video. Now to start off with this, we want to make kind of like a rounded triangle shape. So we want to make a triangle that has rounded corners. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a nice diagonal line that goes up. So I'm going to start here. And we just want to draw a nice diagonal line that goes right to about here. Now at the top of this, I'm going to kind of round this over. So we're just going to come up and I'm just going to round the top. I don't want it to be pointy, I just want it to be kind of rounded. Next, I'm going to draw another diagonal line down here. So I'm going to start right here where I ended and I'm going to draw another diagonal line down. Now I want to round these corners too. So I'm going to start here and we're just going to round this one off. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. We're just going to round it off. So it's like we have a triangle with rounded corners. Next we want to connect these two lines. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go right across from one side to the next. So you can see we have our triangle with our rounded corners. Now I want to make one end of this fold come out because we're going to see a little bit of the stripes over here. Now to do this, I'm going to start right up here and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to come down and then I'm just going to curve it off over to here. Now what I want to do is I want to come in here and add some details on here. So on this little corner here, or this side, we're going to add some stripes. So I'm going to add a couple little curved lines. So we'll add one here. I'll add another one right there. We'll put one here, one up here, and then we'll do one more right there. Now I want to add some stripes, some stars on here. Now to do this, stars are very easy. So a simple way to draw this is we're just going to make a line that's going to go up and down. You're going to draw a line that goes out on each side. Then I'm going to draw two little lines that come in. We're going to make two lines that go out. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then back down for my star. So let me show you that again. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to do the same thing. So we'll make a little triangle shape at the top. On each side, you want to draw a line that goes out. You're going to make a line that goes down at an angle on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out and up, and another one that just goes down and up like this. Now I'm going to put another one right here, so we'll just kind of do the same thing. We'll just go up and down, two lines off to the side, two lines in, two lines out, and then a line that goes up and down. Now I want to put two more stars right up here and another one up here. So I'm going to do this a little bit faster. And there you go. There is your drawing of a folded flag. You can see we have the stars on this side, then we have our stripes over here. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.